In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Asana Full Beginner's Guide 2025. Whether you're managing personal tasks or coordinating a team project, Asana can be a powerful tool to help keep everything organized. Let's dive right in, starting with how you can set up your own Asana account free of charge. First, you'll need to head over to Asana's website at asana.com. Once there, look for the Get Started button. Clicking this will prompt you to sign up using your email address or simply by integrating with your existing Google account. Don't worry about payment information just yet, as Asana offers a basic or free plan that doesn't require a credit card to get started. This basic plan is a fantastic way to explore all the fundamental features Asana has to offer without any commitment. Now that you've set up your account, let's understand what's included in this free version of Asana in 2025. You'll have access to unlimited tasks, projects, messages, and activity logs, which is perfect for handling multiple to-do lists or team communications. Storage is also generous, with the ability to upload files up to 100 MB per file without any limit on overall storage. You can collaborate with up to 10 teammates in a single workspace, view your tasks in list, board, or calendar format, and utilize basic search and reporting functions. It also offers basic integrations with popular apps like Google Drive, Slack, and Outlook. This makes the free plan incredibly useful for small teams or individual productivity. With your account all set, it's time to set up your first workspace. This workspace can be for personal use or for your team. Inside, you can create various projects such as a marketing plan, a content calendar, or your personal goals. Under each project, you can add tasks and subtasks to break down the work into manageable pieces. To keep your tasks organized, Asana offers different views. Even on the free plan, you can easily switch between the list view, giving you a traditional task list, the board view, which presents your tasks in a Kanban-style workflow, and the calendar view, which offers a timeline of your tasks by due date. This flexibility is a great way to visualize upcoming deadlines without needing to upgrade to premium features. Let's not forget about Asana's collaboration features. You can add up to 10 teammates at no cost and assign tasks to specific owners to track responsibilities. Additionally, you can invite collaborators who will receive updates on task progress, making team communication seamless. Each task allows for direct comments and file uploads, which is convenient for briefings and ongoing discussions. And there you have it, a comprehensive introduction to using Asana, from setting up your account all the way to leveraging